Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Compton. Are you ready to do some math? We are going to start off with something a little different today. So we're going to start off with looking at these 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just going to call them dots. So 10 dots. And I want to see how you might find friends of 10. So we've got friends. Oh, you can barely see my marker. Friends of 10. So how could you make friends of 10? So let's say I slid this 1 over. What would be its friend to make 10? Let's see. Let's count them out. There's 1, right? So we have the 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 makes 10. All right. What do you think the next combination would be? Think about it. Okay, so what if I slid 1 more over? So it's not 1 anymore over here, and it's not 9 anymore over here. It's 2 and 8. So let's check that out. 2 plus 8 makes 10. Are we sure? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then are we sure there's still 10? Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 2 plus 8 makes 10. All right, let's check it out. Let's slide another one over. Now, I'm not going to have 2 anymore. I'm going to have what? Show me. Tell me. It's going to be 3. Okay, so 3 plus what makes 10? So 3 plus what? Well, it was 8, but now it's 7. So 3 plus 7 makes 10. Okay, what's next? I bet you see my pattern. I'm going to slide over 1 more to make 4. So 4 plus what makes 10? All right, so let's see. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, that's right, it was 7, and then we made it 6. 4 plus 6 makes 10. Okay, now the next one is fun because you can think about your fingers. Whoa, that looks like I had 9 fingers only. You can think about your fingers for the next one. So I'm going to slide this one over, and the 4 is going to become 5, and then that means the other one is also a 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5 makes 10. Now, we could keep going, couldn't we? We could keep sliding. So that would make 6 and 4. But we already have a 6 and a 4, but we switched it around. 6 plus 4 still makes 10. Okay, so then we could do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 3 makes 10. Wait, but we had 3 plus 7. So 3 plus 7 is always going to make 10, and 7 plus 3 is still going to make 10 as well. Because they're friends of 10. They're friends of 10. Okay, so let's do our last couple. We've got 8 plus 2 makes 10, and the last one would be 9 plus 1. Is anyone out there yelling at me? There's another one, Mrs. Compton. There's another one. There is another one. I just thought about it. What if I slide this one over? And it's 10 plus 0. That one works too, doesn't it? All right, kids, we are going to take a look at this week's story problem. So we are in the fall festivities. We are thinking about pumpkins. We're thinking about leaves. We're thinking about bats. We're thinking about all kinds of fall stuff right now. So today's story is all about pumpkins. Now, we're thinking about pumpkins, growing pumpkins. Some are green, some are orange, some are yellow. Go to Trader Joe's, there's something with bumps all over them. I don't know. All right, so let's read the story together. You ready? Pumpkins. Nixon went to the pumpkin patch. She picked big pumpkins and small pumpkins. Okay, so she picked some bigs and some smalls. All right, how many pumpkins did she pick all together? All right, so we know she's going to pick some big pumpkins. We know she's going to pick some little pumpkins. We're trying to find out how many pumpkins she picks all together. Let's see our number choices. Are you ready? You have to pick your just right number choice. Don't forget, it's just like in reading. You have to pick your just right book. Hi, Speckles. You hear Speckles? She's excited about this. All right, so you got to pick your just right book, and you got to pick your just right number set. If it's too easy, you got to keep going. If it's too hard, you got to talk to your teacher or find a set that's easier for you, right? Okay, so here are your just right number sets, I hope. All right, so we've got 7 and 3, or you can choose 7 and 13, or you can choose 17 and 13. Here's the kicker. You have to make sure you have a really strong strategy for the ones down here before you move on, right? It's all about strategy. It's not about how fast you do it or how slow you do it. It's about, does it make sense? Do you have a solid strategy? All right, kids, your turn. Get to work. I'll see you next time. Bye.